My major is movement and sports sciences.
Oh, mine is electrical engineering technology.
There are some very key differences and similarities to both of these majors.
One of the similarities is that I focus on inorganic materials, the chemistry of them, while he focuses on the chemistry of living beings.
So we both take chemistry courses, a basic English course. We have our math and chemistry, but we're split apart more into our fields junior and senior year. Like I will be taking more biology courses, kinesiology.
Well, I'll be taking electrical physics and materials engineering. Okay.
I'm Chris Rudisell, and my major is movement and sports sciences. It is in the Health and Human Sciences College here at Purdue. Their website said that it is located in Matthews Hall. This major, what you're basically doing is from a sports and kinesiology perspective. You're learning about human body movement. And also, it's mainly used for more of an undergraduate degree so that you can go to graduate school and maybe do a professional school. You would take the basic health and human sciences requirements like psychology, chemistry, your basic English course, and then junior and senior year you get more into the major with your basic introduction to kinesiology, and then you'll continue on from there, going more in depth into the major. Jobs that this could be used for after you graduate is if you want to go to graduate school, it can be a basic undergraduate for dentistry, occupational therapy, physical therapy, or you could just go into a sports-related field, like athletics. The code for movement and sports sciences is SIR, social, investigative, realistic. Realistic is more hands-on in solving problems, so that's a key aspect of this major. The quantitative reasoning core class that you need to take is a basic Math 153 course. There's no foreign language requirement for this major. Clubs available for this major is the HK Members Club, which is Health and Kinesiology, and it's a club where you can interact with other people that are around your major relating to health and human sciences. The code of requirements for movement and sports sciences is you need a 2.5 GPA, be at Purdue for 1 semester, you need to attend an information meeting, and you have to have 12 credit hours. 48 to 41 free electives that you can take in this major in your 4 years of undergraduate. And there are a few science courses that can be specialized between human anatomy, which is Bio 201, 203, and then you advance that to Bio 202, 204. You need a physics, and then you do some basic maths starting with 158.
I'm Han, and today we'll be talking about electrical engineering technology. Hi, I'm Hassan, and my major is electrical engineering technology. As you can see behind me, this is the materials and electrical engineering building. This is where a majority of your classes would take place if you were in this major, and it's located in the College of Technology. In engineering technology, you would basically be understanding how materials and electrical fields affect certain things you make. And your job would be basically making them, fixing them, or understanding how they work. The advanced courses you'd have to take in electrical engineering technology would be material sciences and electrical fields. Electrical fields would basically be how certain electrical fields interact with other objects, how MRI machines have to be placed on certain floors of hospitals because when they're turned on, they affect all the objects around them, such as metals. And material sciences would be basically what compounds and metals you'd have to put in phones, for example, to make them work up to their capacity, or what conducts electricity and what does not. The job for an electrical technician would be assisting an electrical engineer in programming cars. Engineers and technicians work closely together. Engineers plan out what exactly needs to be done, and technicians carry it out. They would basically be the doers to the thinkers. Common code for electrical engineering technology is RIE, while my code is RIS, so they're very closely related. RIE stands for realistic, like hands-on doing it and solving problems, investigative, figuring out how things work, and entrepreneurship, which is basically going out on your own to figure things out. Well, mine stands for, again, RIS, and S would be social, and interacting with people. There are no specific requirements to Kodo into electrical engineering technology. It's basically on an individual basis, and you can do it during the fall, spring, or summer. And when you're taking electrical engineering technology, you would have 3 credit hours of free electives. So basically you could take one class of any college or level you wish. Electrical engineering technology, you would have a variety of clubs to choose from, because basically all clubs open to electrical engineers are also open to you. Because as I said before, you work closely with electrical engineers. So like Society of Electrical Engineers or like Industrial Roundtable, which is a job fair, both of these things would be open to you as having a basis in electrical engineering. To take if when you were in electrical engineering technology would be Applied Calculus 1 and Applied Calculus 2, because you have a heavy math background in electrical engineering. And you'd also have to take General Physics 1 and General Physics 2 due to the heavy electrical field you have to understand and the physics background necessary to do so. No language requirements if you wish to enter electrical engineering technology, and the people around you will also be more hands-on and practical instead of theoretical, and you'd like to know how to do things instead of learning why they work the way they do, like an engineer would. Like a reason somebody would want to go into electrical engineering technology is if you like understanding how things work, like electronically, and how they interact with other electric things, and especially if you like the hands-on aspect, that's why you choose the technology over the engineering.
If somebody wants to go into movement and sports science, they might want to go more into an athletic field related job, or they might want to go into a graduate school and use this as their basic undergraduate requirement.